Hello kids, I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you today in our maths activity, and the topic of our activity is subtraction with borrowing. So kids, this is our activity, but before starting the activity, I will discuss few points with you. First is that here is a frog and you can see a cloud also. Then there are three types of stars with different shapes and colors. As you can see here, yellow represent ones, blue stars represent tens, and red stars represent hundreds. So this activity is about Froggy. Do you know who's Froggy, kids? Froggy is a very naughty frog, and he hop and hop and hop in the jungle day and night. But do you know what is the favorite pastime of Froggy? The favorite pastime of Froggy is counting the stars at night. And today Froggy is very confused. Do you know why? Because last night Froggy counts 125 stars, whereas tonight he counts 450. So he is confused about this difference. Then why there is a difference between the counting of stars? Okay. So he wants to know what is the difference between the two, 450 and 125. Okay kids, and he needs our help. So let's help Froggy to solve his problem. Okay, so what we will do first, we will align the minuends under various places and then we will subtract the subtrahend. So what is our minuend? 450. So under ones, 0 is a minuend, which means there is nothing under one's value. Under tens, 5 is our minuend. So what we will do? We will drag 5 tens under tens value. 3, 4 and 5. And what is the minuend under hundreds? 4. So we will drag 400 values under hundreds. 100, 200, 300 and 400. Now let's solve Froggy's problem. So Froggy has to begin from the right side because subtraction always begins from the right side. Which means first we will have to solve the 0 value. Here we are having 0 under minuend and 5 under subtrahend. Here we'll have to subtract 5 from 0. Oops! Froggy is in big trouble now because he really don't know how to subtract a greater value from a smaller value. So he starts thinking and yes, finally he got an idea. He thought that he will take help from the neighbor. And who's the neighbor of ones here? Tens. So he went to tens for help. Hi tens, I need your help. I want to subtract 5 from 0. Can you help me? And can I borrow 1/10 from you? So tens said, why not? I will definitely help you. You can borrow 1/10 from me. I am having greater values. So he just borrow 1/10 and drag it to under ones. And kids, as you already know, that 1/10 is equal to 10 ones. So 1/10 is equal to 10 ones. And let's count now. 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones and 10 ones. Yes. So now how much we'll have to subtract? 5. So now under ones value our minuend is 10 and we'll have to subtract 5 from it. So let's deduct 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many is left, kids? 5 is left. Yes, so 10 minus 5 is 5. Now look here. We'll have to move one step further towards tens. So how many tens we are having now? We are having 4 tens because 1 tens is borrowed by ones. So how much is left? 4 tenths. So 4 is our minuend here and 2 is our subtrahend. So now Froggy subtract 2 from 4. So here we'll have to subtract 2 tenths. 1 tenths and 2 tenths. So how many tenths are left? 1 tenths and 2 tenths, which means 4 minus 2 is 2 tenths. Very good. Now next we have to move towards the hundreds value. How much is the minuend? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how much is the subtrahend? 1. So here we subtract 1 from 4 hundreds. So how many hundreds are left here? 100, 200 and 300. How many hundreds are left here? 300. So Froggy is very happy now because he solved his problem. That is 450 minus 125 is equal to 325. So Froggy is very happy and he started hopping again. But as I told you earlier that Froggy is naughty too. So now he is challenging you to solve the other problem, which is 674 minus 449. So he is challenging you to solve this sum in 4 minutes. So if you will solve this sum in 4 minutes, you won the Froggy challenge. Okay kids? So best of luck to all of you.